welding. And what we're working on is called 6G. So it's a pipe that we have at a fixed 45-degree angle, and we have to be able to weld two beveled pieces together at that angle without it moving. Like, we can't move it or adjust it to weld it. We have to leave it how it is and we weld around it. And it's been difficult, but not as difficult as doing those different positions separately. I love it. It's one of my favorite things I get to come do.
Well, I came from a different branch, so when I weighed my options with the Navy, it best fit what I thought my current skill set was. It could help enhance what could help me outside after my military career.
My dad is a welder. Honestly, I wasn't sure if I'd be good at welding, but then he told me that most women are better welders than men because we have a steadier hand. And I was like, okay, let's give it a shot. And I turned out being a lot better at it than I thought I would be.
I was in the Army, I was just field artillery. A big lifestyle change. So what I've noticed so far is the Navy, they really care about me as a person and my training more than what I've had in the past. So it was a different challenge, and then it's a different leadership style. So there's more free thought in the way you want to lead. The Navy gives you the core baseline how to do it, and they let you develop your style.
When I go home all dirty and messy, I'm like, I accomplished something today. We could build just about anything if you know how to weld.
I want to continue to learn as much as the Navy will allow me to learn.
Venture out, see if you like it. You can do just about anything you put your mind to.
We learn a lot, we have a lot of fun, and there's a lot of sense of value and pride when you finish a project. You can look at it and know that you are a part of that.